Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use your Tabby card in physical stores across the UAE. Yes, it works in person too. First, ensure you have the Tabby app installed and your account is active with an available balance. Next, when you're ready to pay at a store that accepts Tabby, inform the cashier you want to pay with Tabby. Most major retailers in the UAE now accept it. Then, the cashier will generate a QR code at their payment terminal. Open your Tabby app and tap on Scan and Pay from the home screen. After that, point your phone's camera at the QR code to scan it. The app will automatically recognize the merchant and amount. Review the payment details and select your preferred installment plan, usually 4 payments. Confirm the purchase in the app. The payment processes instantly. You'll receive a confirmation in the app and can take your purchases. The store receives full payment immediately from Tabby. It's that easy to use Tabby for in-person shopping across the UAE. If this in-store guide was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.